that all of this is coming off the back of a lot of things that have happened for years. So I think even a lot of our interest in the election this time is not an isolated event. Most of us are still fired up off of the event that happened 2 years ago, which I think is the same thing with Nigerians. This is successive tiredness. And then just in the recent time, Nigerians don't have fuel, they don't have cash, and it's 2023. It's like, giant of Africa where? We don't have electricity, we don't have anything. People are tired. So I think the positive note to realise is that none of a revolution or change doesn't take place overnight. I actually work with the Nigerian government, and let me tell you, Jesus Christ and his disciples, all of them, if they get elected tomorrow, that place is rotten. Yeah? The rot is deep. The constitution that we're even quoting, that thing is crap. How can you say we're a secular state and half of it is full of Sharia law? I don't have that. The whole thing is a mess. And if you're sitting here waiting for Burna Boy, come on, Chelsea, come on now. The problem that we have, a lot of us, yeah, is we are still pandering so much to the gaze of Nigeria and how it appears, and we're not actually focused on the reality of what's going on. Why are you waiting for Burna Boy? That guy is not a nice man. He has proven multiple times, but because he's doing mapping and one that. What's his name? What's it? Skepta is calling him young Fela Kuti. Where? How? Jay Hustle singing, they want to do me like Mandela. Brother, how? These people are saying all these things, you don't know what's going on. You know, people be posting TikToks that the Africa that you don't see. I love that for us, but the Africa that you do see, a lot of it is crap. Even Lagos that we're going around. Lagos, people keep saying, oh, it's such a great place. The amount of money Lagos State generates, that place is a gutter. It's embarrassing, and we have to actually do, even when we're calling that we want people to come in, the International Crime Court is also a farce. Because if that place was will, why is Tony Blair still free? So when they're saying they want Tinubu to take him there, I understand why you're saying that, but we actually need to have institutions that are working properly for our country. There is so much reform that needs to happen. Peter Obi as well, the scary thing about people being, I love the obedient movement and everything, but the movement cannot rely on one person. If he gets shot down tomorrow, what is going to happen? I don't wish that on him, but I'm just saying that the movement has to come with a culture shift, it has to come with change. And we can't be tired this time because all of these things come off the back. Now, Sanwo-Olu has been running around, let me be quiet, if this is like, that's my boss. He has been going around with Tinubu, you're not campaigning, really. He's not been doing much of a massive campaign. People are now online saying, you know, we want change, we want something different. And you're seeing people, like the government is sitting up and saying, right, we need to do more. When we start holding people